In this video, we will learn multiplication of fractions. A. Multiplying fractions. That means we will multiply one fraction with the other fraction. B. Multiplying fractions and whole. That is, we will multiply one fraction by a whole number. C. Multiplying mixed fractions and whole. That means we will multiply a mixed fraction by a whole number. D. Multiplying mixed fractions. That is, one is mixed fraction and the other is also a mixed fraction. Let us understand by doing some examples. So for the first one, multiplying fractions, that is one fraction to the other fraction. So here we have an example of 2/3 that is to be multiplied with 3/4. In this case, we multiply the numerators first, that is 2 and 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 gives 6, and we will multiply the denominators, that will give 3/4 are 12. How we can multiply fractions visually? The same example I am taking, that is 2/3 and 3/4. So using this diagram, I'll show you 2/3, 2 parts are shaded out of 3, and 3/4, 4 parts, and we have 3 parts shaded. So what happens? 2, 3 columns for this, they are already shaded, and there are 2 rows here. So this one and this one. So what we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are 2 3s are 6, and we had how many parts? 12 equal parts. 3/4 are 12, and we get this 6 parts as numerator. Let's see another example. Again, for the fractions 3/8 and 4/5, just multiply numerators. 3/4 are 12, and 8/5 are 40. 2 6 are 2 20s are. Again 2 3s are 2 10s are. This is the answer. I will show this one visually again. I have divided this in 8 equal parts, out of which 3 are shaded, and here it is divided in 5 equal parts and 4 are shaded, and I have shaded already these parts. So there were 3 of these. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. These 12 are numerator and out of 40. Here we are multiplying fraction and whole. So when there is a whole number and a fraction to be multiplied, what we do is, first we change the whole to a fraction, and you must be knowing how to do that. Suppose if we have a whole 3, so how do I change to fraction? I just divide it by 1. If we have 6, we just divide it by 1. So it becomes a fraction now. So for this, what I will do, I will change it to fraction. Okay, so now it's easy. We have a fraction here and a fraction here. What do we do now? We multiply numerators. 6/4s are 24, and we multiply denominators, that is 7 1s are 7. Here we have 3 wholes and 2/3. So simple, what do? I change it to fraction, that is 3 upon 1, and multiplying numerators, 3 2s are 6 and 1 3s are 3. And I see this is a multiple of 3, so it can be reduced to simplest form. So 3 2s are 1s are, and I can write this as 2. Multiplying a fraction, that is mixed fraction, with a whole. So here we have example 4 into 3 6 upon 7. So first we have to change this to fraction. This is a mixed number. So let us change this first. I will teach you how to do this first. So for a mixed number, what we do? We multiply these two numbers, and then whatever the result is, we add it to numerator. So first we will do 7 3s are, that is 21. 7 3s are 21, and we will add this number. So this becomes 27. So what is the answer now? 27 upon 7. So this becomes a fraction now. Easy. 4 1 upon 5. This is a mixed number, and how to change it now? We will multiply these two. 4 5s are 20 plus 1, 21, that is upon 5. This becomes a fraction now. So first we will change this number. Okay, so we write simply this as the same. And how to do this? We multiply this and add this. So first I'll write 7 in the denominator, and 7 3s is 21. 21 plus 6 is 27. Last example, what we did? We made it fraction by writing 1 in the denominator. We multiply numerators. So 27 multiplied by 4. So 108, and 7 1s are 7. Let's take another example. So first we will change this to fraction. This will be written as 3 upon 1. As we know that whole number can be written like this as a fraction, and this one we will multiply these two and then add this. So I'll write 4 in the denominator first. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So now it is easy. Multiply the numerators. This gives 27, and denominators 4 1s are 4. We have to multiply mixed numbers. We'll change this to a fraction and this also, and then we will multiply the numerators and denominator. I'll write the denominators first. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 2, 14, and I'll multiply this two. First I'll change this. So I write 4. 4 5s are 20 plus 3, 23. 3 4s is 12, and now this I have to multiply. 4 3s are 12, 1 carried over. 4 2s are 8, 9. 1 3s are 3, 1 2s are 2. So this becomes 12, 1, that is 322. This can be further divided by 2. So I'll divide it. This gives us 161 divided by 6. So this is the answer. We have two mixed numbers which have to be multiplied. So I'll change them first. So 5 in the denominator. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. And this one will be changed to fraction. 5 3s are 15 plus 2 is 17. So 5 5s are 25, and 13 into 17 we will multiply to 21 by 25. Let's review the steps what we followed for multiplying fractions and a whole. For multiplying mixed fractions by a whole and multiplying mixed fractions.